The nomadic lifestyle has developed a rich history of cultural and social heritage and wisdom to coexist in harmony with nature and wildlife. The vast yet fragile ecosystem of steppe grasslands conditioned Mongolians to maintain nomadic herding lifestyle, moving between 4 seasonal rangelands to feed their livestock with fresh grasses and water. Mongolian breeds of 5 types of livestock, camel, horse, cattle, sheep and goats, have been selectively developed by generations of nomadic herders to adapt and endure the harsh continental climatic conditions of the country. Nomadic herders of Mongolia call their livestock as the live manufacturer, which transform natural grasses, water and minerals into ecologically clean livestock products. In order to maintain the sustainability of Mongolian nomadic livestock herding, we aim to keep the balance between 4 major rangeland ecosystem services: provisioning services, regulatory services, supporting services, cultural services. Provisioning services. Nomadic livestock herding of Mongolia is the backbone of food security of the nation, as well as provider of raw materials for about 400 domestic agro-processing companies. Herder household annually supply 9,400 tons of goat cashmere, 20,000 tons of sheep wool, 17 million pieces skins and hides, 30,000 tons of meat. Mongolia has the capacity to produce up to 100,000 tons of meat annually. Supporting services. Maintaining healthy rangelands is crucial to sustain its supporting services such as nutrient cycling, oxygen production and soil formation. Regulating services. Rangeland ecosystem regulatory services include water purification, protection of the soil from sand and water erosion and flood protection. The vast Mongolian steppe land is one of the few ecosystems in the world that has kept its unique structure of soil and biodiversity intact. Today, scientists keep reminding us of the importance of maintaining the natural regeneration capacity of rangelands and not to exhaust their natural ability to recover themselves. Cultural services. Through the centuries, nomads have created a wealth of cultural heritage. The resilience and sustainable existence of nomadic livestock herding of Mongolia is rooted on maintaining that subtle balance between nature, humans, animals. The wisdom and culture of the nomads has allowed this balance to be maintained in harmony. The mission of the current generation of Mongolians is to maintain the balance among these fundamental services of rangeland-based nomadic livestock herding and pass it on to the next generation as intact as possible.